for this year's Sounds of Hope event for Rady Children's Hospital Auxiliary for the Carmel Valley unit.
And I'm Michelle Devine, the other co-chair.
Tonight is our 8th annual Sounds of Hope event, which is a benefit to raise money for the Discovery unit at Rady Children's Hospital. It's a very unique event because we are raising money for all the different departments at Rady Children's Hospital with all the patients throughout San Diego and Imperial counties. And it is specifically going to research. So we're not only affecting just children today, but children all over the world and for years to come.
And the event tonight features a dinner hosted bar and a great live music by the Joshua Tree Band. It's a YouTube cover band from LA, and we heard them during sound test. They sound amazing. So we're looking forward to a much more fun, not quite your ordinary ballroom type fundraiser. We're a little more cutting edge, as is Pediatric Research, and great band, dancing, hopefully